Hello everyone, welcome to Technology World. Today I'm going to show you most useful top 10 Windows 11 shortcut which will help you to in your day-to-day life. So let's go to find out what kind of useful top 10 shortcuts are in Windows 11. Number 1 is search for anything. If you want to search anything, you can use this shortcut in Windows 11. If you want to search something in Windows 11, just press Windows logo key plus S. You can type here whatever you want. Word, control panel, mouse, whatever you want. You can just type down the whatever you want to search, then it very easy. Okay, and also there can be seen category. Okay, app you want, if you want to app, if you want to search all the things. If you don't know how what you are searching, if you are searching a specific app, you can choose here. If you document in web or more, there are email, folder, music, people, photos, setting, videos, whatever you are searching specific area, you can choose one of them. Okay, it's very useful in Windows 11. This manner you can use Windows 11 search for. Number 2 is access clipboard history. Let's see how to use this thing. Clipboard history is a very useful feature in Windows 11. Especially I have done one video regarding this because it is that much very important feature. I will put the card here. You can watch it and get the better idea. So I will show you how to use clipboard. Just press the Windows logo key plus V. You can enter the clipboard here. There is nothing stored here, so I will show you how to store something here. If you copy down something in this manner, you just need to Control C. You know how to copy something. Control C here. Again Control C. Again Control C. Control C. Control C. If you want to all things copy at once, Control C. If you want to Control C. If you want to 3, Control C. In this manner, several ways you can copy something, and also those can be one by one. As you copy it, paste anywhere that you want. Control Windows logo plus V. Now you can see here one by one. If you copy it, those are here 3 by 2 by all. Okay, whatever you copied, just click here. Wait, I delete those things. Okay, so let's see how to paste Windows logo plus V. Here is clipboard. Click it just here, and again here, and again. You can see as you copied something that you can open the clipboard and paste. YouTubers or social media user, this can use very efficiently and save time. Okay, use this for your data. Number 3 is talk instead of type. So let's see how to use it. Press the Windows logo key plus H to enter the talk instead of type. I have done a specific video regarding voice recording. You can watch it also. So let's see how to work with Windows 11 voice typing. Just you need to open the text document and again Windows logo key plus H. With the aid of the voice typing of Windows 11, you can type anything. Whatever you say, it will convert the speech into words with the auto punctuation. Just go to the setting and switch on the auto punctuation. Then auto punctuation will be working. Otherwise, it will not be working. Let's see how to work it. Just say something that will convert into text in Windows 11 with the aid of the voice typing, and it has improved auto punctuation. That will help you in when you are using voice typing. I have done video for this especially. You can watch it also. Let's see how to work it. Hello my Hello my dear friends, what do you think about auto punctuation Windows 11 voice typing? Now you can see here whatever I said, it has converted into text. Hello my dear friends, punctuation, what do you think about auto punctuation Windows 11 voice typing? Think about situation is question mark. You can see in this manner you can use this for your day-to-day life. Number 4 is express yourself with emoji. So let's see how to express yourself with emoji. Emoji is one of the useful feature in Windows 11. Just press the Windows logo key plus period, then you can enter the emoji. Just you can see a wide range of emojis there. Okay, there are so many emoji symbols, and also here you can see recently used thing. If you are YouTuber or the chatting social media using, you can use those factors according to your wish. Okay, there are a wide range of emoji you can see, and also GIF is there. Okay, there are several categories can be seen, many categories, and also here is Emoji. Okay, you can see wide range of Emoji. Here there are also some classification. Okay, can be seen here. Happy, there are several, sad, angry. In this manner there are so many categories. You can use those things as you wish. There is symbols, whatever symbol you want, you can find out here. Okay, you can also use in various emoji when you are chatting or whatever you are using. YouTube, it's also can be used, so use it for your day-to-day life. Number 5 is lock your screen. To lock your screen, just press Windows logo key plus L. Windows logo key plus L. Then you can lock your PC quickly. Maybe you have to go quickly for your task or something outside. Security is very important in the present context, so you can use this shortcut. I think this will be very useful for you. Number 6 is quickly switch tasks. Let's see how to use it. Quickly switch task also one of the useful feature in Windows 11. Windows logo key plus tab. In this manner you can see whatever you have opened, then you can choose one of them again. This manner it's very easy to use. Desktop 1 2 3. Okay, in this manner you can use it. Check whether it is useful or not. Let's go. Number 7 is quickly change setting. Let's see how to do it. To open quickly change setting, press Windows logo key plus A. Then you can see here night mode, Bluetooth, flight mode, mobile hotspot, network, contact, and it's very easy to you can control the brightness here. VPN. This manner there can be seen wide range of features. Expand, cross span, expand. You can see and whatever you want to use it as you wish, you can use it. Take a screenshot. Let's see how to take a screenshot in Windows 11. Windows 11, if you want to take a screenshot, just press Windows logo key plus S. And there are few features. You can choose one of them. This manner you can take screenshot. In Clipboard also you can see what you have already taken in screenshot. Number 9 is open the Widgets Board. Let's see how to use it. In Windows 11, if you want to open Widgets shortcut, just press the Windows logo key plus W. Then you can see here Widgets. You can also customize, go to setting as you wish. It's very useful, and Windows 11 has improved Widgets also. You can use it. Next one, number 10 is snap windows side by side. So this will be our last. Now I have another extra for you. Let's see. In Windows 11, if you want to snap window side by side, just press the window logo key plus arrow keys. Like this. You can use arrow keys and you can change the side. In Windows 11, if you want to clear the windows in Windows 11, you just need to press Windows logo, click person D. You can quickly Clutter Windows, just like this. Okay, if you want to hide something, you can do it. So we will be back to you with another new video. So like, comment, subscribe our Technology World YouTube channel. See you.